Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Shubham Kesri. In this session, we will understand how to represent data using bar chart and pie chart. First of all, have to read the file. Right, A is equals to read.csv. Write your CSV file name. Now write header is equals to true. Right here save is equals to comma. Now print it, run it. The output is our CSV file. Now right here table and pass gender. Table function returns number of male and female in gender column. Run it. Right here a dollar gender. Run it. See, the number of female is 7 and number of male is 8 in this file. Now write bar plot and pass here. C. Right here C is equals to. Now run it, then run it. See, the output is a bar graph having two elements, male and female. This graph is showing that number of female is 7 and number of male is 8. Now give name to this graph. Right here male is equals to bar graph. Run it. See here, the name of this graph is bar graph. If you want to name x-axis and y-axis, then write xlab is equals to gender. Run it. See here gender, and right here ylab is equals to number. Run it. See here number. If you want to print this number vertical, then write here LAS is equals to 1. Now run it. See here, the number is now in its real form. If you want to print this graph horizontally, then write here horis is equals to true. Now run it. See, the graph converted into horizontal. Now see pie chart. Right here pie and pass C here. Run it. See, we have a pie chart. We can also name the pie chart using main. Right here main and pass any name for this pie chart, suppose pie. Run it. See, the name of this pie chart is pie. Now if you want to give some extra information like which color is showing male or female, then use legend. But before using legend, we change the color of this male and female. Right here COL for color is equals to write C and pass here 2, 4. Run it. See, the color of pie chart has changed now. Now use legend function LGEND. Okay, right here top right the position name where you want to place this legend, then write name inside legend, now write here size, okay, then write color, field is equals to C and pass here 2, 4. Okay, legend is used to give some extra information about pi. Run it. See, at the top right position we have a legend. You can also change the position, right here left. Run it. See, the position has changed now. Okay, now if you want to enclose pie chart and legend together, then write here box and run it. See, here the pie chart and legend both enclosed inside a box. Friends, in this session we saw bar graph and pie chart. Also we use here box and legend function. Thank you.